Alright guys, here we are. Flores Auto Care, going on 20 years in business. I just did an analysis on his merchant account. We'll be saving him a significant amount of cash. So definitely gonna update his terminals. Let's go in here and talk to him a bit. As you can see, this gentleman has an older pin pad here. Very old, doesn't have the EMV capability for the chip. We're gonna go ahead and take care of him on that and update it and upgrade it. With a good amount of savings, a new pin pad for protection against fraud, he should be fine. This is a shop. Antonio, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, gracias.
¿Cómo están los precios aquí en las reparaciones de carros? ¿Qué me puede contar?
Tenemos precios bien competitivos.
Baby, I know you. Baby, I don't know, baby. I know you.